Are you looking for a small town feel yet close to the big city? Welcome to Glen St Mary. Just 30 minutes west of Jacksonville, Florida, this home is fantastic. Located on 2 spacious acres, you're gonna love it. Come on in, let's take a look around.
So if you'd like more information on this house, or better yet, if you want to see it in person, just give us a call. We're Mike and Cindy Jones. Thank you for watching.
Is it just me? Do you feel the same? Were you up all night thinking you should maybe go your own way? Or should we stay? Try to make things right, 'cause I get a little down.